guys got 20 euro?
20 euro. Oh, portemonnee is weg. No, but
10.
10. No. One
They
second.
will
One second.
disappear.
What? Das ist schön gemacht. Mussten wir hier rein, oder?
Nein, das ist Ausgang. Oder?
Nein, das ist Eingang.
Aber
Wir können-
gleich müssen wir.
Wir können die mal fragen.
Wir müssen gleich mal Ticket kaufen, ne?
Ja. Wir Diese Herz für dich. Komm mal her, komm her.
Sent them to, I don't know, your team, saying, if you don't help us right now, the English team, if you don't help us right now, you can find out with us, or you can find it.
Der Laden sieht einfach viel zu geil aus.
Oder das sieht krass aus. Einfach Bonbon, ne?
Canadian, but I use American coins because they're real big and loud. Like Americans, yeah. I'll take the 3 coins. Snap my fingers, 1 coin. Travels from one hand to another, leaving me 2. After this, I do the big trick. 1 coin's fast. I've got these 2 two in the left, one in the right. Watch. Well, you can't see it, but listen. That's the passing and the second coin. Now the last coin, the final coin. Can you hold on to that? Yeah, and that's the passing of three coins from one hand to another. No, 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 no. I don't need your fucking pity. I need the money. Yeah. Been living in a crack house for 2 weeks. And I'm not even a crackhead yet. 1, 2, 3. You guys got a cigarette? Yes. See how easy that was? You guys got 20 euro?
20 euro! Oh, portemonnaie is weg. No, but...
10!
10, no, one
They
second,
will
one second.
disappear if
One
we give
second.
you.
Okay, I need 10 more. There, guys, you look like you need it. No, you don't need it? Well, then lend me 5. My God, someone got lighter? She is way prettier than the girl from yesterday. Wow. It's a joke. He was actually with this lady,
Okay.
so he's stepping up.
Absolutely.
Watch this. I know you were here for this. Hey, guys. Hello, hello. Where are you from? It took you that long. Obviously, you're Dutch. Watch. Then the big trick. Cigarette goes in the left hand. And before your very eyes, just melts. It's enough.
Demo je cigara, ja no. A gde je?
If you clap with your hands in your pocket, you're gonna smash your little penis. All right. Guys, this is not quite going as I was hoping, but I'm gonna finish up for you guys. Got 1, 2, 3 cups, 3 balls, and a stick. Hey, yo, Dutch guys, Amsterdam is cool, because everyone can do what they want, but you don't fuck around with people doing shit. So if you want to watch, great, but if you're here just to be interrupted, it's not cool in Amsterdam, and you're Dutch, so you should know better. Sally.
Stop it, fuck.
3 empty cups. Hello, you're late. Mom! 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 That's not Dad! Hi girls, come in, there's lots of room. I'm building a crowd before I start. Join us. It's a social thing. Look, hey. 3. Hey, you guys. My microphone stopped working. You guys yeah, throw couple. You like that, eh? Did the bicycles not come with instructions? They rent the bikes, they don't know how to... You guys are great. Hello, Kawasaki. Guys, come in a little bit. Buddy, hard show today. Hi, girls. Hi. Are you girls being good? Yeah. That's why you're single. 1, 2, 3, empty, solid cups. Shit trick, girl, look. Wow, magic. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Give me 3 minutes of your time. Afterwards, I won't belittle you about money. I'm a street performer. You understand that. Costs 10 euros for a burger, fries. I think I'm worth the price of McDonald's, but watch this first. And I know not everyone can afford 10 euro. Some of you guys can afford 20. Watch. Ball number 1. You tap it with the stick, it melts into nothing. Now that I got your attention, ball number 2, gone. Ball number 3, I got a blow on it. Amazement! Wait. I'll get it tomorrow. It's a shit joke. Now this is just the beginning. Give me 2 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, and all 3 balls reappear underneath the cups. Yeah, no. That's not the big trick. Watch. 1, 2, 3. To make it easy, I'll take ball 1. Put it away in the bag. To make it simpler, I'll get rid of a second ball. But look, that one comes back. Because I cheat. I pretend to put the ball away, but when I pick up the cup, I drop the ball, which leaves 1 ball in the middle, but that comes back. So, how many balls under the middle? 2. 3. 1. 0. One of you are right. Look, there's 2. 2 minus 1. How many now?
2.
1. He's right. 2. People, pay attention. Look, how many? 2. No, there's 3. Now, if I take all 3, how many under the cup? Yeah, 1. See, there's a tennis ball there. Now, if that's not worth 5 euro for a street performer in February, well, there's another one there. So if that's not worth 10 euro, there's a third one there. Now, a lot of people don't carry cash. Card reader, don't laugh. But what I don't understand is where the 4th one comes from. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna belittle you about the money. It's the best 10 euro you'll spend today on a street artist. You know what to do.
برزين